Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To replace letters in a string in Python, you can use the replace method. This method takes two arguments, the letter you want to replace and the letter you want to replace it with. It returns a new string with all occurrences of the specified letter replaced. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to replace letters in a string in Python. Step 1. Define the original string. Step 2. Use the replace method to replace a letter. Step 3. Print the new string. Complete code example. In this example, we are replacing all occurrences of the letter O with the number 0 in the original string hello world. The replace method returns a new string with the replacements applied. The output of this code will be: you can replace letters with other letters, numbers, or even empty strings using the replace method in Python.